Hey guys, it is January 10th and Happy New Year to those who celebrate New Year's on January 1st. I'm here in the storage and I gotta honestly say that I'm in the process of getting this storage in order, and when I do, I'm gonna have a nice reveal. And hey, I just may invite you guys to an open house so you can see the new setup and the new inventory. I have so much amazing items in here that I just have not had the opportunity to post, to share, so that you guys can shop Fashion Reboot. I know in one of my previous videos I said that I was going to be deactivating fashionreboot.store, but as soon as I did that, I received 3 orders. So it's activated. Fashionreboot.store is still available, but you can still follow me on Poshmark.com and Depop.com and shop Fashion Reboot. So what I'm about to do today, see those shoes over there, those Converse, I'm about to pack and ship those. And then I have a dress that I have to find. I have not found this catastrophe, but I'm going to do that. I'll show you what I'm pulling, and then I'll show you quickly what I'm shipping. So I'm shipping these. Wait, let me out. I'm shipping these Converse, and I just got these. I just dropped these. Some things sell quicker than others, and I have a dress that I have to go over here somewhere over there and find. So give me a minute. Excuse the noise in the background. But see, this is really cute. This is a pickup, so remember what I say or have said in the past. When I have customers that order pickups, they pay for the item, and then sometimes they don't show up, and then when I try to reach them, excuse me, let me let this lady pass by with all this noise. All right, she got on the elevator. But anyway, I have this dress here, very cute, size small. The brand is Forever 21. It is so cute. I see everyone is getting ready for spring, summer, so I have this to pack for pickup, and I will let you know if they picked it up. And if they didn't, it will go back into my inventory. And I haven't had a chance to even post this yet. It's just that person, the client, came over with someone else and she saw it and she wanted to purchase it, not at that time. And now she's going to pick it up today. So let's see.